Hello everyone, Samuel Staton with Staton CPA here. Today I want to talk about a question that comes up quite a bit as I'm meeting with clients. I'm preparing tax returns currently and meeting with a lot of clients, and I want to discuss one particular question that does seem to come up a lot, and that is regarding Social Security. The first question people ask many times is Social Security taxable? And the answer is sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. The taxability of Social Security depends on how much income you have besides Social Security. If you have no other income, then none of your Social Security is taxable. If you have a great deal of other income beyond Social Security, then potentially up to 85% of your Social Security can be taxable. So you really have to look at your particular situation to see if your Social Security may be taxable. And on that note, another question I get is, what if someone receives back pay from Social Security disability? That's a very complicated scenario, and again, really depends on your income. But in the scenario of back pay for disability, there is an option that you can figure the taxability, or how much of the Social Security is taxable, based on the years to which that back pay applies. Now, you don't have to go back and amend the returns from a prior year. There's a form for the current year where you can figure it. But it takes looking back at the income from those prior years, figuring how much you had and how much would be taxable, and adding it together. Bottom line, pretty complicated calculation. Or you can determine how much is taxable based on your current year income. And that may be better if in prior years you had a lot of income, but this year you don't. So bottom line, if you're in that scenario, you really need to speak with a CPA or a competent tax advisor to determine which is the best course of action for you, and make sure you report that properly. We handle those kind of tax situations. We'd be more than happy to speak with you if you have that issue to deal with. Another tidbit is you can potentially deduct attorney's fees related to that Social Security disability back pay if you report some of his income. You can't necessarily report the whole thing because you have to determine it ratably according to how much you included in income, but something else to consider that you may not be aware of. But at any rate, again, give us a call if you have any of these questions or scenarios that you're dealing with, 828-233-5495. Email me at sstaton@statoncpa.com. As always, I welcome any other question you may have. In the meantime, thank you and have a great week.